This is a customized milk powder can back-end packaging line for our US customer. 9-meter-long overbridge conveyor belt transports sealed milk powder cans from the production plant to the back-end packaging plant. Automatic division of milk powder cans from 1 row to 3 rows. Every 9 cans in your box, and more production of more than 1,000 boxes. Effective alternative to manual labor. Reduce costs and improve efficiency. Modular design, easy to move and adjust the placement. The customized palletizing method, according to customer requirements. Automatic palletizing of second pallets after one palletizing. Continuous production without stopping.